Okay, we're doing an inspection and we're going to take a look at grading. And home inspectors love wood chips. I'll tell you why. Because they provide clues as to what's going on with underground drainage pipes, especially the ones that are clogged. So let's take a look at this one and look at the wood chips. Looks fine, right? You have a downspout coming from the roof, underground drainage pipe, but look, where did all the wood chips go? Did somebody clean it out? Nah. So what this indicates is water is clogged into this underground drainage pipe and it's overflowing and it's washing out and away all these wood chips. That's why I kind of like inspecting exterior grading with wood chips, because it tells me what's going on in the past. This has happened in the past. It's not happening right now, but it's an indication that we have an underground drainage pipe that's clogged because there's erosion, we call it erosion, of the wood chips. Wood chips are home inspector's friend.